Hello everyone, welcome back and you are watching Technical World. Today's video is about to change some Safari setting for fast browsing, battery saving, make iPhone faster and also protect from the hackers. So without wasting any time, let's get started and before start please don't forget to subscribe. First of all, we launch settings, scroll, find and tap on Safari. Here we are going to change some settings. Number 1, turn off preload top hit. Next, scroll and under tab we have to tap on close tab and select after 1 month. What was this option? If we are open 100 tabs and we are not visited under 1 month, then Safari will delete automatically these websites. Now go back to Safari, scroll and turn on prevent cross-site tracking. Next, tap on hide IP address. Here we need to select from trackers. This option will protect us from the trackers or hackers. Now go back to Safari, scroll and tap camera. By default it's selected allow. We are not allowed to every website to access our camera, so that's why we are going to change to ask. Go back to Safari and select microphone. The same setting will be here and we have to select ask because we are not going to access to every website to access our microphone. Go back to Safari. These are the Safari settings. Now we are doing some settings for Wi-Fi. Go back to settings, scroll, tap Wi-Fi. Now tap on I symbol in front of the connected Wi-Fi, scroll and tap configure DNS. Here we need to add servers. Number 1, first we are going to delete these servers. Now tap on add server and add 1.1.1.1. Now tap again add server 8.8.8.8 and tap. We need to tap save. That's it. Settings for Safari. Make your iPhone and browsing faster. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful. So please don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.